Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Matty Collins. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I just wanted to share with you guys my completed music video, my first one ever, that I shot on the Canon EOS RP camera, the 35mm 1.8 RF glass, and the drone behind me is a Mavic Air 2, DJI Mavic Air 2. So that's all for now. We'll see you at the end of this video. Enjoy.
Let's go. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. One more time, come on. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. I wanna get married and have me a bunch of kids. I don't wanna cry, I just wanna smile. Hope you all don't mind if I just stay here for a while. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Fuck the whole world if they don't care about us. I wanna be the GOAT, I wanna be the best. Living out my dreams so I'm not settling for less. I wanna be there, I wanna be here. I wanna be the person that everybody reveres. I wanna be me, I wanna be me. I want the world to be able to see what I see. Yeah, I just wanna be. That alone will help me go and set my mind free. I wanna be me, I wanna be me. But then again, all I really want is to be. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. A man with a voice, a man with a drive, a man who bottles all his emotions deeply inside, a man who always laughs but really wanna cry. No one ever asks him how he feeling in his mind. A man full of love, a man full of pain, a man who realizes no one ever be the same. A man with a chance, a man with a voice, a man who's been a victim of making his own choice. A man full of soul, a man full of heart, a man who knows that nothing will ever tear him apart. A man with a plot, a man with a plan. Take a sec to listen, maybe you will understand. I wanna be me, I wanna be me. I want the world to be able to see what I see. I wanna be me, I wanna be me. But then again, all I really want is to be. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more. Die no more, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna die no more, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I don't wanna die no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Ooh, oh, oh, yeah, yeah.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'd appreciate any constructive feedback that you have. I know that I learned a lot through this process. So if you're a filmmaker and you want to engage with anything you saw here, that'd be awesome. I'm going to be dropping a BTS behind the scenes video next week on just the camera techniques I used and some of the Final Cut editing techniques as well. I think I got 10 subscribers since last video dropped like 10 days ago. So one a day is great. One a day will keep the doctor away. Thank you so much for the support. Engage with this video in any way you can, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.